About a year ago, we undertook a strategic assessment of the organization. And as a board looking at the future for Mount Lehman Credit Union, we realized that we needed to make choices that allowed us to grow. But we don't have the resources right now or the capacity to invest in, say, new technology and new products and new services without partnering with another organization. And so we realized that we needed to look for a partner within the credit union sector that would allow us to continue servicing our members well into the future. The board has always taken a lot of pride in stewarding an organization that's allowed our members to grow over the last 80 years. We've been able to invest in our families, into growing our businesses, our community, but we're also at a point right now where both the world around us is changing quickly and the needs of our members are changing really quickly as well. In order to provide the services that our members need, such as online banking, we can't do that alone without a significant investment in new technologies, new products, and new services for our members. By working with another financial institution, we're able to partner, we're able to provide those services that our members want and expect going forward. Some of the key things that we recognized are limitations right now for our organization include things like our small staff team. We have 8 dedicated team members, but even one of those individuals not being able to work makes us unable to complete projects, to develop new services. We're at capacity. We don't have redundancy. That doesn't allow us to expand what we offer our members, not to mention succession planning into the future. Secondly, we exist in an environment of changing technology. The world around us is changing, but also the needs of our members are changing. The ability to do online banking, the ability to access services remotely is something that we want to be able to offer our members, but we can't do alone. In the past, Mount Lehman has been able to be innovative by doing technology in-house, but increasingly we rely on third-party service providers, and this comes at an expense. In order to offer these services and these products to our members, we can't do it alone. And that prompted us to look for a merger partner. Third, while our costs are increasing in some areas, our revenue streams are also challenged. Operating in a low interest environment over the last number of years has made it very difficult to remain profitable. And that profitability is what would allow us to invest in new technologies going forward to better service our members into the future. We operate in a very competitive financial market, and without being able to offer the services that other institutions are offering, we won't be a viable entity going forward. And finally, the regulatory environment is changing. The expectation of the public is that we have strong oversight of our financial institutions. Yet, as a small organization with a small staff team, we're finding it increasingly difficult to respond to the expectations of the regulator. The reality we face as a small financial institution is that the status quo is no longer viable. To be able to invest in the future, to be able to invest in our members, to provide the services that we want, we need to be able to operate at a scale that is competitive with other financial institutions. By partnering with G&F Financial Group, that offers us that opportunity. What we've found in G&F Financial Group is a credit union that's existed for some 80 years and is now a collection of over 30 mergers of smaller credit unions that have come together to meet the needs of their members, to provide the financial services that they've come to expect. We see a very close alignment of values and principles, as well as a robust suite of products and services that will allow us to continue servicing the members of Mount Lehman Credit Union well into the future. From a board perspective, our work over the past year hasn't always been easy. It's required us to make some difficult decisions, keeping in mind the history of our community and the needs of our members. We see now before us an opportunity to continue servicing our members by working collectively and cooperatively with another financial institution. This partnership will allow the legacy that Mount Lehman Credit Union started to continue by offering cooperative financial services to our members. As your board chair, I'd like to invite you to get to know G&F Financial Group better. There will be an information package coming to you in the mail in November. Ask questions, attend the town halls coming up over Zoom, and I encourage you to vote yes for the future of our credit union and our community.